Good morning. Today I'm chasing waterfalls because it has been pouring down in Melbourne or Victoria over the last week and a half. So I thought I'd just go and check them out and see what's going on and how they're flowing. I really love waterfalls. I love the whole majestic feel and power that they bring through, and it's all through nature. So today we're at Sheoak Falls and it's pretty spectacular.
The trail to Lower Kalimna Falls is such a beautiful trail. Kalimna is actually an Indigenous word for beautiful, which is a really perfect description to describe the spot. While the walk is relatively flat, there's significant mud, which is amazing. But the true highlight is a chance to step behind the Lower Falls Cascade and view the waterfalls from behind.